Hello, this is Progeny. Today I'm talking about transferring features from one folder to another. As you're probably already aware, when you're in Progeny, you're using a particular folder, your pedigrees will have a certain format, your datasheets will have a certain format. For those of you that are using version 10, you'll notice you've got the drop-down options, which allows you to change formats quite quickly. For the older versions, it's a little more problematical, it takes a little more time. It's not a big problem, but it takes a little more time. So what I'm going to show today is a quick way of transferring it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a completely new folder, just calling it Progeny Europe 2. I'm also going to set up the template options so that it also has the same smart draw dimensions and pedigree properties, like so. And I'll save that. So here I've got a completely blank folder. If I create a new pedigree in it, like so, if I draw just a couple of individuals here, like so, or a trio, and if I click save, like so, I've now got a pedigree. You can see, as I was saying, in version 10, quite easy to quickly select the symbols, subtext, and so forth. And similarly, if I double click through to the individual to get to the datasheet, here it's completely blank. It doesn't take much for me to just go cancer pedigrees like so, and then set that as current format. If I forget to set the format as default, next individual I look at will be blank. So if I go to this lady here, for example, completely blank. Anyway, at the moment I want it to stay blank because I want to show you what you would do in former versions, and also if you're being quite efficient in version 10, what you would do. So okay, so on the folder here, I highlight the folder so it looks open, like so. I right click and go copy features to folder, like so. And then this time it's going to want me to select a pedigree. In this case I'm just going to use this one here, pedigree. And then it's going to ask me, what do I want to copy? If I was in the individuals tab, it would ask me a different set of questions, but I'm going to select across the datasheet, icons, don't want markers, do want smart dimensions, do want that, and I do want it to run smart draw. So you also see below, if there are any subfolders, you'd have the ability to copy features to those folders as well. Okay, so click OK. And it's going to ask me the question, are you sure? Because obviously any formats in there will be deleted. I'm just going to say yes because I have none. And it says, do I want to run it? And I will do again. And that's finished. Close. So now when I go to the pedigree, you'll see it's auto-selected cancer pedigrees for the symbols and formats. You'll also need to notice the pedigree moved over to the left a little bit. That's because I had conserve left space checked in that pedigree that I used for the format. So here, if I just click on the individual, you'll see I've now got cancer pedigrees. So you can see it's quite easy, quite extensive. You can copy quite a lot of the formats across. Hope that was useful for you today. If it was, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, any questions, just drop me a line. Bye for now.